dirty? Why is your car so dirty? I said you were gonna wash it.
Probably appreciate less noise in here. We went to the beach, but this time it was different than any other. I guess the smokestacks were putting out some waste or something, I don't know. Something was in the air that was stinky, and I can't even get it off the windows. Of course, this is a lot more, but I've washed it, and it won't come out. So we're gonna try a different method today. First, we're gonna check that out. No, we're gonna check this out. Check that out. Check this dirty thing out. Look how dirty, man. Filthy. I hope it'll clean it. I know I gotta wax it. I started with $6 and it was a rush. I recommend 8 to 10. But I started with the high pressure soap. And then I used the high pressure soap 1. Always on the brush, because you never know. You never know when Cletus McFarland and his crew are out trolling or whistling diesel and got rocks in here, so you just spray it out with the high pressure soap real good.
Oh, is that full blast? That's full blast. Alright, look over here, Sam, we're gonna clean her up at the good spot.
So they won't allow me to buff it, but you're gonna wash it up. I got you, I'm on it, yeah. Do not buff, you can wash it, but do not buff the car, right? Oh, you gonna put a brush in?
Well, yeah, the best brush in town. Spotless wash.
No!
What? Oh, dang, dude. Ew, listen to it. It hurts my spine. Hit my teeth.
Damn, I gotta show you, dude.
Wow, circles, right? There we go. There it is.
Hold on, there's a little. If you use the top, you can rub off like a real tight
like bugs.
Oh, dude, my soap is burning to the hood. Oh, crap. Look at that. Look at this smoking. Damn turbo, dude.
It's literally smoking
I
out.
wanted to stock turbo. Well, the thing is, like, when you buy a car, is people can't tell if it's yours. You know what I mean? Unless you, like, change something about it. So, right now, for all they know, this is the previous owner's car until it has a scratch in it. And now everyone knows it's mine.
Then you use the brush. Then you spray it off with the high pressure rinse. And then I do a little bit of wax. I just coat it a little bit and let it dry. We're gonna see how it does. I don't know. I did scrub it all with the brush. Right now it looks good because it's wet. All cars do. You know what I mean? But let's dry it off and see what it looks like. Yeah, see, I'm gonna have to put a buffing wheel on my windshield. Look, that's not from the inside. Crazy. That's after the car wash, after the brush, after the high pressure, twice. Sad face.
Speaking blame somebody else when you destroy yourself. First, nothing worse than the mother's pain of a slut slain in business. Can't wait for the state to decide the fate. So this jam I dedicate places with the racist faces. Sample one of me. living, learning Virginia. Smile in a line of fire, go wild and running some basic drums, even violence. What you do, get your head free. Instead, I get it physically swaying. When I get mad, I put it down on the pad. Give you something that you never had. Controlling, fear, high rolling. God bless your soul and keep living. Never alive, kicking it loud, dropping a bomb, brain damn, intellectual Vietnam. Move as a team, never move alone. Well, welcome to the Terror Dome. Look at you now. You ain't wanna let you go. Now look at you. Wow. Boing.
Disconnect.
Right over there. That ain't gonna buff out.
I'm out of here.